Hi, welcome to MarineMax of Minnesota. My name is Josh Simonson. Want to introduce you today to our winter sales series. In our winter sales series, we're going to kick it off with our Nautique Week. So Nautique Week, we're going to have all of our boats on display. We're going to have all our Gs, our G21, 23, and 25, our S series, our Paragons, and we might even have the brand new GS20 here in the showroom for you to take a look at. So we're going to have boats here to take a look at. If you can't find something that you really want here on the show floor, we have this amazing design center from Nautique. You'll be able to go through, look at all the different exterior colors, interior colors, the non-skid, everything right in front of you. We can build it right here and build that perfect boat for you to go out for next summer and be ready to go. So Nautique Week is November 28th through December 3rd, and you can give us a call to set up an appointment. You can go to MarineMax's website under events and click on there, and you can create an appointment that way, or just come on in. So again, we'll be Nautique Week November 28th through December 3rd. Again, we'll have all the boats right here, and we can't wait to see you out.